Hello everyone, welcome to the new video of Python interview hacks. In today's video, we are going to see a program that has been asked by Apple. Problem statement: given an array nums of n integers where n is greater than 1. Return an array output such that output I is equal to the product of all elements of nums except nums of I. Note: solve it without using division. So let's see what we have to do first. So this is our input array 62451 and we want the output such as 40, 120, 60, 48, 240. So what we have to do for that, we have to eliminate the first number, that is 6. So we are removing 6 from the equation. So 2 into 4 into 5 into 1, the product is 40. So we are placing 40 here. Next we are going to eliminate 2. So 6 into 4 into 5 into 1, product is 120. So we are going to place 120. Next we are going to eliminate 4. So 6 into 2 into 5 into 1, product is 60. So placing 60. Next eliminating 5. So 6 into 2 into 4 into 1, product is 48. Placing 48. At the end, 6 into 2 into 4 into 5, eliminating 1, product is 240. So here we are placing 240. So that's how we got our output 40, 120, 60, 48, 240. Let's see how we are going to exactly solve it. So we are going to take product of left list and product of right list. So let's see how we are going to use left product. So that means product of elements on the left side of the list. So this is our list 62451. We are going to take product from the left side. So there is no element at the left side of the 6. So we will be placing 1. Product will be 1. Next element is 2. So left on the left side of the 2 there is 6. So 6 into 1 we are placing 6 here. Next element 4. On the left side of 4 there are two elements 6 and 2. So product of 6 and 2, that is 12. So we are placing 12. Next is 5. So on the left of 5 there are three elements 6, 2 and 4. So product of 6, 2 and 4 is 48. So we are placing 48. Next is 1. So on the left of 1 there is 5, 4, 6 and 2. So product is 240. So we are placing 240. So we have completed the left product. Now we will move on to the right product. So right product of elements on the right side of the list. So this is our again list 62451. We are starting from here, from right to left. So on the right of the 1 there is nothing, no element, so we are going to place 1 here. Next element is 5. On the right of 5 there is 1, so we are going to place 1 again, because 1 into 1, 1. On the right of 4 there is 5 and 1, so 5 into 1 we are placing 5. Next is 2. On the right of 2 there are three elements 4, 5, 1. So 4 into 5 into 1 we are placing 20. Next is 6. So on the right there are 2, 4, 5, 1 and we are going to place the product, that is 40 here. Let's see how we are going to get the output. We are going to multiply the left product list and right product list. So left product is 1, 6, 12, 48, 240. Right product is 40, 20, 5, 1, 1. So we are going to multiply this 1 into 40, 40, 6 into 20, 120, 12 into 5, 60, 48 into 1, 48, 240 into 1, 240. So that's how we got our output, that is 40, 120, 60, 48, 240. Let's solve this program using Python. So here I am taking a class name solution, defining a method products except self, passing self and nums. In this nums we will be passing our array or list. Next we are going to take three empty lists and we want the length of these lists equal to the length of nums and we want to populate those lists with 0. So that's why left product equals to 0 into length of nums, right product equals to 0 into length of nums, and output equals to 0 into length of nums. So next we are assigning the values to the first element of left product and to the last element of right product. So left product of 0 equals to 1, right product of length of nums minus 1 equals to 1. For I in range of 1, length of nums means our loop start from 1 and iterate till length of nums minus 1. So we are placing values in left product list. So left product of I equals to nums of I minus 1 into left product of I minus 1. So we are getting the product to the left of the element we are eliminating, and we want to increment the element, so that's why I equals to I plus 1. Next is for right product. So we want to go in the reverse direction, starting from the right side, going and going to the left side. So for I in range of length of nums minus 2, minus 1, comma minus 1. So we are starting from length of nums minus 2. We want to go till the 0th element, but if I write 0 here, we will not get the value of 0, so that's why minus 1, and step size equals to minus 1. Now we are putting elements in right product list. So right product of I equals to nums of I plus 1 into right product of I plus 1. So we are getting product of the elements to the right of the element we are eliminating, and we are going backwards, that's why we are decrementing I by 1. So I equals to I minus 1. So now here we got our left product list and right product list. So in the end we want to multiply these lists, and we will get the output. So that's why for I in the range of length of output, output of I equals to left product of I into right product of I, and return output. So here I am passing the list 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are getting first, here you can see the left product list, and here the right product list. So the elements in left product list are 1, 1, 2, 6, and elements in right product list are 24, 12, 4, 1. And in the output these elements are multiplied, so that's why 24 into 1 24, 12 into 1 12, 4 into 2 8, 1 into 6 6. Similarly for this list, the list is 35791. Here we are getting the left product list, that is 1 3 15 105 945, and the right product list is 315 63 911, and the output is 315 189 135 105 945. And finally the list we took as the example 62451. So here we are getting the left product list 1 6 12 48 240, right product list 40 20 511, and the output is 40 120 60 48 240. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.